Okay, so today we're discussing more more stuff on algebra. So we're actually looking today on equations. So we're moving from expression to equations, all right? And so the warm-up is now going to be this. All right, so we're doing notice and wonder. So blueberries are $4.99 a pound. So $4.99 a pound for blueberries. Diego buys B pounds of blueberries and pays $14.97. And your goal is going to be to make sense of this information. So right now, what do you notice? What do you wonder about this situation right here, right? So this is what we're talking about right here. Just the sentence. We're not going into the four parts yet, okay? We will discuss these four parts later. Okay, so by now, you should have finished the notice and wonder. All right, so we're gonna dissect this situation here. So because blueberries are $4.99 a pound, and Diego is trying to buy B pounds of blueberries, we have a procedure that can handle these kind of problems to help us to translate these sentences into equations, all right? So what we can do here is we want to highlight the variable and what it represents. So what does B represent? Okay, yes, B represents a variable that tells us something about how many pounds of blueberries that we are buying. We don't know how many pounds a person might want in any particular scenario until a person decides. So we just say B pounds. All right, and so what we do here is we want to highlight that variable. That's step one. Step two, we're going to cross out that word in the text and write the variable beside it. So you're going to cross out, let's go back. You're going to cross out where it says here a pound. You're going to cross that out, a pound, and you're going to replace the phrase a pound with B. So you'll have 4.99B. Then you're going to write the terms above the words, all right? So just don't forget, we're going to be, after I crossed a pound out, I'm going to write the term B. All right, the variable B, I'm going to write it above the phrase a pound. All right, and then I can now write my expression 4.99B. Now, we're noticing here that we have something else to think about. We have the value of 14.97, all right, $14.97. Now, this tells us the total cost of 4.99B. This tells us the cost rather of B pounds, all right? So the 4.99B equals to 14.97 is the equation that we have here, all right? And again, we have 4.99 or $4.99 for a pound of blueberry. We are buying B pounds. So the cost of B pounds in this case is going to be $14.97. And our goal here would obviously be, we can ask, how many pounds do we have if we have $14.97 to spend? How many pounds can we get? And so that's something we can ask, all right? We're not looking at that right now. Any questions? So we end up with the equation 4.99B equals 14.97. And we can go on and do the other problems in this manner, all right? So we're gonna go on and do the other problems in this manner, okay? So you're gonna get some time to work on that. I am gonna go around and I'm going to observe you as you work, and this will give us a chance to see what we need to discuss